What's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. This video is very urgent, very emergency update for all Gala token holders, guys. Guys, before starting this video, if you are new on my channel, so please click the subscribe button right now for more news and updates videos about Gala token. Guys, if we talk about the right now price of a Gala token, so you can see here 0.1327 USD dollar. Guys, now if you have a plan to invest in a Gala coin, so invest now, don't waste time. Invest right now in a Gala token, because you can see here, guys, I'm talking about here 194% changes is positive today. Unbelievable jumps taken by a Gala token today, guys. Invest now, right now. It is a huge opportunity with all of you to invest in a Gala token and make a huge profit. Absolutely, guys, Gala token will make you millionaire if you invest for long time, guys. You can see here 194%. That's really a huge jump of a Gala token and unbelievable. Yeah, like you can see here, first time I saw this coin, you can see here 2606% the volume increase just in a 24 hours. 2606. I can't believe that. What's going on in the cryptocurrencies market? Gala token, everybody sees Gala token. Buy now, Gala token, buy now, Gala token. Oh my god, guys. So I also recommend for my viewers, my subscriber, that invest now in a Gala token. Invest now in a Gala token. Anyways, guys, what do you think? What is your prediction? What is your opinion? Also share in the comment box. But you can see here market cap, everything is going very fastly positive in a Gala token. So again, I request you, buy now if you want a profit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to channel.